We're down here at Quartzsite, and I have a little plan that I want to do for us. I'm going to start filming the different facilities and places in Quartzsite that people who are coming here maybe for the first time would be interested to know about. It'll be like a collage, like an overview. In the middle of the winter, thousands of people come out here to go to the powwow and the big RV show, and the vendors come, and there's a gem show, and there's really quite a lot to do here. But what you need to know also is where you can go. Where's the post office? Where's the Chamber of Commerce? Where's the city park and the dog run and museums? So we're going to go through all those. It'll be an overview, but I want to give you that list. I think that'll be helpful, and I hope you enjoy it. This building right here is the community center. Yeah, I was going to go in there, but they were having a meeting because I wanted to ask them where the oldest tree is located. They have some kind of very, very old tree that's still around here. Okay, now here is the sign where the trail starts. Now, in one book it said this tree that we're going to view was 1,060 years old. This one says 1,050, and now we're going on the trail again, which is well marked with little rocks. The tree that we're going to look at again is called the witness tree. The reason why it's called that, it's kind of cute name for it, because the tree is so old that, and it's lasted so long, it has witnessed all kinds of seasonal changes and changes in this community and this part of the desert. It's going to warm up here today in Quartzsite. Yesterday it started to warm up again, and it's beautiful today. I think we're getting close to it, because here's another sign. All right, and they have a little bench right here you can sit on. Oh, it is a large tree. The main thing is that it's survived so long. Great tree. Now this one says its age is 1,010 years old. It has 38, it looks like 38 growth rings were counted, and totaled 60 rings per inch. Rings per inch were multiplied by the radius of the tree. The tree was dated in 2009 using a cut limb. Okay, this is the bottom of it. And we're going to go looking up to the top of it. Yes, it's a lovely tree. We're going to walk around the tree. Look at how the limbs they touch the ground. It's so old, the limbs of it. And we're going to go right up here, and we're going to touch the bark of it. Yes, see how the limbs touch the ground? That fascinates me. That something hasn't happened to them, that they haven't blown off. I wanted you to see, I'm going to sit down here on this iron bench, and then I'm going to sit in front of the great tree. Yes. Turn it around, and as we go out, I'll get one more shot of the tree from a distance. Let's see if I can get it from here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're here now at this museum, and I'm going to film it. I'm in the back part of it right now, and this shows you some of the old things that were here. And you're going to see a lot of old things that people have donated and that they have here. Here's an old grinding wheel, an old anvil. Alright. A lot of old tools. There's an old castle dome sign. This is labeled as a mine bunkhouse. Old wagon wheel remains. Oh, they build so many things out of rocks here in Quartzsite. I love the gates that they put around the perimeters of their properties out of rocks, and these are cute. Somebody has made these replicas of the Barrett birthplace. He's built an English castle, all out of rocks. These are really cute. I love these little things built out of rocks. Barrett's home and Barrett's farm at the Ferndale Wash. This is really cute. The general store. The fishing village. Church. Cute. The Arizona stage lines. Tyson Wells Stage Station. Okay. This is a picture of Jake. There's this map of Quartzsite. That's really a nice map. So this tells you about High Jolly, which and there is a monument to him where the cemetery is. And I was going to try to film that too. These are things that were used by the camel drivers, I think. And here we go. Here's all about High Jolly. Stagecoach etiquette. Abstinence from liquor is requested, but if you must drink, share the bottle. To do otherwise makes you appear selfish and unneighborly. These old pictures fascinate me. And inside here, we're inside another room of the museum. If ladies are present, gentlemen are urged to forego smoking cigars and pipes, as the odor is repugnant to the gentle sex. Here's a table set up with, isn't that cute, the little stagecoach with some dishes, old dishes. Chewing tobacco is permitted, but to spit with the wind, not against it. Okay, it's kind of cute. The first post office. There's a picture of it. And by the way, we're in this building that was original. Okay. There's an old spinning wheel. Okay, let's go on here. Okay, we're here right now at High Jolly Cemetery. Now, High Jolly is such an interesting name, don't you think? It is the name that was given to this man who was from Greece, and he took care of the camels for the army, but he decided to stay here in Quartzsite. And there's a little bit more to his history. Talk about that in a minute. Yeah, it's just a beautiful day today, and I'm enjoying being out and walking and filming. Now I'm here at this High Jolly monument, which is very close here. It's their cemetery, is what it really is. It's a cemetery. This is just their cemetery here. Okay, and here's a little information about it. The famous camel herd with which the name of High Jolly is linked constitutes an interesting sidelight of Arizona history. Jefferson Davis, as Secretary of War, approved a plan to experiment with camels for freighting and communication in the arid Southwest. The last camp of High Jolly, they procured 33 camels which landed in Indianola, Texas. The camels under High Jolly's charge proved their worth. They were left on the Arizona desert to shift for themselves, chiefly roaming the particular section. They survived for many years, creating interest and excitement. The pyramid that we just took a picture of, made out of native stone, marks the resting place of High Jolly, a Greek born in Syria, also known as Philip Pedro. He was a camel herder in 1857. Pretty mountains in the background here.